Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create board in Jira. So it's quite easy. If you look at on left side, you will see all of the projects you have. So select the project where you wanna create the board, but make sure that the project should be company managed. Only then you will able to create the board in that. Otherwise the option will not be visible to you. This is because the company managed project allow you to configure advanced settings and modifications. Well, this is the company managed project in my case where I wanna create the board. So just next to that you need to click on the plus button in order to create the board. They'll give you two options. The first is Scrum board and the second is Kanban board. So if you're the one who wanna create the board for team that plan work in sprints, the Scrum board will good for you. But if you wanna create the board for that team who want continuous workflow management, then Kanban board would be great for you. For the sake of this video, I'll just proceed with Kanban board. So here you need to enter the name for your board. I'll just name my board something like all tasks. Then you can just choose what you want to include in this particular board. So that could be team, that could be work type or labels. If you want to get into more depth, you can go for advanced. In my case, I would choose work type and they allow me to choose the work type. I'll include bug, epic, story and task. Once you do that, click on create. And yeah, you can see that the board has been successfully created. On the board you have a lot of tools like calendar, list, forms, goals and so on. You can use them in order to manage your project. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you can create board in Jira. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.